It's finally here, and in this video, we're checking out the OPPO Watch. Good afternoon, you beautiful people. Welcome to Isa Does Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. I'm honestly very excited for this video, but let me backtrack. I'm in Shenzhen, China, where OPPO is having their very first Innovation Day, aka OPPO showing us some cool new things. Part of the day's announcements including OPPO reiterating that in 2020, they are not just a smartphone company. This just means that we should be looking out for an OPPO smartwatch and smart earphones. Exact dates and other details about that are TBA. The one announcement that they made that made me feel so giddy inside was that they'd be making an OPPO watch. OPPO smartwatch? The day has finally come, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the OPPO watch and we're gonna check out what it can do. Spoiler alert, it runs on Wear OS. Before we start, yes, these are the international versions for the OPPO watch. There are three, in fact. There's a 46mm version that has eSIM capabilities. There's another 46mm version that does not have the eSIM capabilities. And there's a 41mm version, which is what I unboxed. I mean, it's on my wrist now, and I think this is the pink gold version because it's just such a pretty thing. But yeah, you know what? Let's get to the unboxing. Here we go, the OPPO watch. That's pretty straightforward packaging. Wow, that looks really nice. Okay, let's look at that in a bit. Manual, so OPPO watch safety guide, quick start guide. This is the 41mm watch. Charging dock, there is a hole on here. USB. Okay, first of all, that has a good weight to it. It's not light or cheap feeling. Secondly, yes folks, that is a curved display on a smartwatch. Wow. Buttons on this side, that's probably a mic. But yeah, you can totally see the curve of that screen from this angle. Ooh, look at that back. Look at those sensors. Nice. That screen really steals the show on this watch. It's bright and responsive, and it makes it really nice to navigate by swiping right and left because of that curve. Now, some people might say that this watch looks like the Apple Watch, but again, curved screen and there's no dial. There are speakers and a mic on this thing, the better to annoy Google Assistant with. Hey Google, how are you?
I'm right as rain. Speaking of rain, I'm just thinking about redecorating this cloud I live in. Perhaps a rustic cottage look?
What is Google on?
Google is a one-stop shop for helping you find things. And that's why they made me. How can I help?
Wow. Okay. Thanks. Bye.
No problem. Take care.
Girl! And the watch I have here comes in a very dainty rose gold. The straps that come with it also has some rose gold details, and it comes in this really nice cream. Now, I really love the color on this and I love how it looks, but my only problem here is that my pink hair stains anything and everything when it's wet. So that's something I have to be careful about, although general everyday use doesn't really seem to dirty it a lot. I mean, my hair thing is just an Isa problem, so there's that. So like I said, it is a very pretty watch, and it still looks elegant on one's wrist, even if it's a little big. I mean, admittedly, it is big. Here it is side by side with an older Apple Watch. Still, it matches any and all of your nice OOTDs. Aside from that, there are a number of cute and responsive watch faces that you can use to accessorize this watch even further. I especially love this balloon watch face because look, it's wait, oh my god, look, it's so cute. Okay, I love this face. This is okay. Wow. Woo! Oh my gosh, my favorite face now. Wow, that's fun. Okay. You can even add your own photos and even a whole album on here to personalize it further. Look at my cute dog! To further up that level of customization and OOTD matching, there's an AI outfit feature that comes with the OPPO Watch. All you need to do is take a photo of what you're wearing and it'll automatically come up with a matching watch face. I love it. Oh my gosh, it matches my skirt. So like I said earlier, this is a Wear OS watch, so all you need to do is download the Wear OS app and connect it via Bluetooth. And then you have all these tile settings, which basically means you can reorder the tiles as they show up on your watch. There are 5 tiles allowed on your watch, and you can pick and choose which specific tiles they are. All these health stuff can be found on the HeyTap Health app, which it asked me to download as well. And from here, you can see all the different stats. Now, let's go through what this pretty watch can do by navigating through the features. This button right here wakes up the watch, and if you press it while it's awake, it'll get you to Google Fit. Also pointing out that this button is programmable, so you can pick and choose what you want it to do. This button gives you all your different apps, and yes, like I said, this is a Wear OS watch, so it allows for you to go to the Google Play Store and get specific apps for your watch. Let me adjust this for a hot second because I feel like you can't see how nice the colors are because it's too bright. So yeah, there are different brightness settings, 1 to 5, and then there's an automatic brightness setting. Also, pressing and holding this button gives you Google Assistant. Stop!
No one.
Wow, okay. Swiping down gives you this quick menu, and there's even a movie theater mode or an aqua mode. Swiping up gives you your notifications, and from here you can actually reply. Wait, let me get Joshua to send me a message. So there we go. If I tap here, I can read the whole message, and then I have different suggestions as to how I can reply. Wow, this is cold. Hello, my love, and you reply, how's life? Okay, no. So I can open on my phone or reply to Joshua here. Hello, thank you for sending that message. You're in my video. I can send that, or wait, I need the same message so I can show you the different one. Yay, indeed. What the heck? Who thinks these up? Anyway, you can reply with an emoji that you draw. Ooh, wait, I wonder, like, oh, you can choose too. Or you can just type it. But, I mean, who has fingers this small? Though there is a slide function, I think, so that makes it easier. So that's my calendar. These are my steps. If I tap, it opens Google Fit and gives you all the details you need. It tracks your workout, so if you tap here and you can start walking. There's also a heart rate monitor. And there's also sleep tracking, which shows you that I, well, sleep very, very late. So from the little time I've spent with this watch, it lasts around a day or a little over a day. But I have to point out that this is running on engineering software, so it's not the final version yet. Again, to make a valid conclusion about battery time, I will want to check out the final software version. But I'm telling you this because based on experience, even if the battery only lasts me a day, because of the fact that that quick charging is, well, so quick. And when I say quick, I mean hot. Wow, that was fast. I plugged it in on this 60-watt charger at 141, and it took a little under an hour to get to 100%. It makes sense because, for example, you have this on your wrist 24/7, you take a shower, put it on the dock to charge. By the time that you finish showering, that's around an hour or more, you're done charging. And that was our first look at the OPPO Watch. I honestly feel like it has come full circle from the time that OPPO first announced this and I got excited. And well, now that OPPO has released this, and I'm still excited. I'm honestly very impressed at their first smartwatch attempt. Of course, I'll have to spend way more time on this watch to make up my mind about it. Let me know what your questions are about this watch for my full review that's coming. And let me know what you think about this as early as now. Before we go, and I know you guys are asking for this, I have an OPPO Reno 4 Pro video that's probably coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned. If you want to see how I use all of this tech on a daily basis, you can find me online. That's at Cisa Said. Until next time, bye!